Shit that I done been through or shit that I done witnessed somebody else go through, you know what I'm saying? I try to inspire every listener.
So bro, in this video you're gonna hear the real American English. Watch to the end and you won't regret.
Because surviving in the jungle is deeper than dodging bullets. It's deeper than saying no to drugs. And it's more pitfalls than peer pressure.
To be honest with you, I can't speak too much into that because I really don't know all the things that he's been doing. But I mean, the city's still, you know, fucked up basically. So I don't know, like, what is he like? What's going on?
Why don't y'all tell people about this neighborhood right here?
I mean, shit. I mean, it's the trenches. It's the trenches, man. As you can see, man, like this shit is run down. You know what I'm saying? I done grew up here all my life. You feel what I'm saying? Like
my dad was a hood nigga. You know, the oil shop on Southfield. He robbed it and got killed, and his best friend worked there.
Oh, sorry to hear that.
You feel me? Hey, look though, this is what you came for, right? Look, all that clothes and shit. That shit don't mean shit. Motherfuckers know who they want. You ain't going back this way. Motherfuckers know who they want. All that clothes and shit. That shit don't mean shit out here. That shit don't mean shit at all, bro.
Yes.
So do y'all claim any gangs? I mean, like, y'all can answer that or...
Man, like, see, shout out Lil Mac, my cousin. Y'all probably know him, Demo. I fuck with the moles, but I don't gang bang. I got a crowd that I fuck with. My brother right here, he a Black Stone. That gang bang stuff not in me. I'm getting some money, little dollars. You feel? I'm chasing money. That's my game, money.
Do they have like any community centers or recreation centers or anything around here?
I just know in the summer when they bring this stuff out.
Do y'all have problems with the police around here?
what?
Like, you know, are the police, they treat the people right, or you know?
Sometimes, like once in a while, they'll treat us right, and then they'll treat us wrong and shit like that. Police, baby, come around here.
Okay, hey man, so you know, New York City, like, kind of famous because of, like, you know, in the past with all the gangster rappers and all of that. So I want you to tell the people what Compton is like today, because I want to know too. Is it like it used to be in the 80s and 90s? Is it better or is it worse?
Nah, it's not. The 80s and 90s, it was way more crazy. You know what I'm saying? Right now, we're still going down. We just had a few incidents not too long ago. But overall, it's not the exact same. A lot of people got locked up. You know, a lot of people got killed. A lot of people moved out of the city. So it's not as bad. You know what I'm saying? But it's still Compton.
Stay dangerous. You can't stay safe, because safes get cracked. You gotta stay dangerous.
Right.
24/8. That's all it is.
First of all, what area am I in Pittsburgh right here?
East side.
Lower Pennsylvania.
It's the east side of Pittsburgh.
Okay, it's the east side of Pittsburgh. Yeah. Okay, so like, what can you tell people about this area? Are y'all from here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's on the east side too, but we in Gorman right now.
Okay. What can y'all tell people who don't know anything about Pittsburgh about this area right here?
It's dangerous. You go through this shit every day.
Okay.
Just like any other place.
Any other hood. You ain't from there, it ain't safe for you, period.
It's always love, you know what I mean?
Right.
Always love. You know?
People don't like it. They like the old New York. You know what I'm saying?
Pardon me for a minute.
You go ahead.
Like back in the days, we had respect for one another, you know what I mean?
Right.
Like now, these young cats ain't got respect for each other, you know what I mean?
They don't respect nothing.
Everything gotta be shoot 'em up, kill, you know what I mean? Back in the days, we used to knuckle up.
All right, yeah.
You lose. You go home, go get your crew, we come back and fight again, you know what I mean? But now it's like, brothers just wanna shoot everything, you know what I mean?
Man, Jersey City, man, it's an awesome place, you know what I mean? But, you know, just at nighttime, it get kind of hectic, just like any other city, you know? And just, you got to stay on point, you got to stay on your pivot, you know what I mean?
In Jersey City.
The gang activity is serious, you know, and let me just stop and just say this. It's very sad because it's not even the older people, it's the younger people, you know, and the older people should be ashamed of themselves because they're using these kids as scapegoats and gassing them up to do stuff that they know that they won't do themselves. And that's why it's so crazy out here, because it's the young kids that's doing it.
I'm a storyteller, you know what I'm saying? Like, I speak about real life shit, man. Shit that I done been through or shit that I done witnessed somebody else go through, you know what I'm saying? I try to inspire every listener, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't with that old fugazi ass, auto-tuning ass shit, you know what I'm saying? It's straight raw with me, man. Forever fought it, man. PHAEVA, PHAWTY, man. Follow me on everything, man. And the music gonna speak for itself, you hear me?
That's your name on all your social media?
All my social media, everything. Yeah.
Okay, spell that again.
PHAEVAPHAWTY. Forever 40, man. You know what I'm saying? Little southern grammar with it. You know what I'm talking about? We don't say forever down here. We say forever. We don't say 40 down here. We say 40. You know what I'm saying? Straight like that, man.